Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Etsy and verify your bank details, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Etsy shop, first, log in to your Etsy account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager section. In the Shop Manager, look for the Finances option in the sidebar menu. Click on Finances, and then select Payment Account from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see your available balance and recent transactions. To initiate a withdrawal, locate the Withdraw button. Click on this button to proceed to the withdrawal process. You will now be prompted to select your preferred withdrawal method. Etsy allows you to withdraw funds via direct deposit to your bank account or via PayPal. If you haven't yet set up a bank account for withdrawals, you'll need to do that first. To verify your bank details, click on the option to add or edit a bank account. Enter your bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check all information for accuracy. After entering your details, click Save to proceed. Etsy may require you to verify your bank information. You might receive a small deposit in your account for verification purposes. Check your bank account in the next few days for this deposit. Once you receive it, return to your Etsy account to confirm the amount. This verification process ensures that your details are accurate and secure. After your bank account is verified, you can easily withdraw funds as needed. Simply follow the previous steps to initiate a withdrawal once again. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Be patient as your transaction processes within the banking system. That concludes the process of withdrawing from Etsy and verifying your bank details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.